My name is Søren Grå. I'm responsible for the transport from Sweden to Benelux, France, Spain. And we are positioned in Landskrona in South Sweden. We have been working together with VIA for 6 to 8 months now, and we are very satisfied with the cooperation with VIA. We have customers asking us for the quotations, and we are planning to have new customers on these lines in the future. Advantages for us is that we can offer them transport during the weekends because of we're not depending on bans in Europe or driving limits. So it's very important for us to make a correct way to produce our loads, which is very important for DSV and our environmental strategy. We have also demands from our customers to reduce the CO2 emission. DSV is, let's say, a big transport company, and we have customers from all segments. We have a lot of papers, we have plastic, we have steel products. We transport food and wine and plastics, and so it's different kind of types we use for the train. The advantage for us for bringing the goods from truck to rail for VIA is that we in the weekends can avoid driving bans. And we have the maut problem both in Germany and France, where we can reduce the cost for our maut. So this is a positive things for us. We have for the moment about 15 to 20 units a week, and we want to expand this cooperation through new sales and to getting new opportunities together with VIA.